Dollar is puzzled because I put a towel over her favorite hole in the bookshelf. Yeah. Whoa. What's Dollar looking for? Yeah. You wonder what happened to your favorite hole, don't you? Yeah. Got to check it out. Yeah. See what you do about that. Yeah. Sizing up the situation. You know that hole is in there and you're going to find it somehow. Isn't that right, Dollar? Yeah. What you doing? She's going to move that towel. She'll figure it out. Look at that. Now you went and did it. You got the towel out of the way. Yeah. Yeah. You still don't like that towel. Okay. That interferes with your tunneling. Well, look at you. Look at you. You figured that out right away. I thought if I covered that towel with a towel, you would not be able to figure it out, but you've already figured it out. You've never worked with towels before. That's a first try, right off the bat. Yeah. Dollar. Dollar. Where's Dollar? I don't see Dollar. She's hidden under the towel. Oh my goodness.